intriguing insights are often hidden in our everyday routines. Take sleep, for instance. Here are 5 fascinating facts about this universal human experience. 1. An average person will sleep for about a third of their life. That's roughly 25 years. 2. Within 5 minutes of waking up, 50% of your dream is forgotten. By 10 minutes, 90% has slipped away. 3. Humans are the only mammals that willingly delay sleep. Talk about a unique superpower. 4. The record for the longest period without sleep is approximately 11 days. Definitely not recommended though. 5. Fear not night owls. People who stay up late are generally more intelligent than early birds, according to several studies. So the next time you hit the hay, remember these fun facts. Sleep isn't just a necessity, it's a world full of mysteries. Sweet dreams. Before we dive into the next scene, let's unravel the science behind our sleep cycles. When we sleep, we cycle through 4 stages of sleep, starting from light sleep to deep sleep, and finally REM sleep, where most of our dreaming occurs. Each cycle lasts about 90 to 110 minutes, and we go through several cycles each night. The first sleep cycles each night contain relatively short REM periods and long periods of deep sleep. As the night progresses, REM sleep periods increase in length while deep sleep decreases. This fascinating cycle is regulated by our internal biological clock, or circadian rhythm, influenced by light and darkness. Understanding these cycles can help us maximize our sleep quality and overall health. Now, if you're enjoying this deep dive into the world of sleep, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll get to explore more mind-boggling facts and insights just like these to satisfy your curiosity. So hit that subscribe button and let's keep exploring together. Having explored the mysteries of sleep, let's dive into the realm of dreams. Did you know you can actually learn to control your dreams? This phenomenon is called lucid dreaming, where you're aware you're dreaming and can manipulate the dream's content. This can serve as a powerful tool for personal growth, overcoming fears, and even enhancing creativity. Some people use it as a form of rehearsal for real-life events. Interesting, right? Just imagine the possibilities. What would you do if you could control your dreams? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, the world of sleep and dreams is as fascinating as it is vast, and we've only just scratched the surface. Stay tuned for more incredible facts and insights in our next video.